What's up, everybody? It's MKBHD here, and today we're diving deep into the world of Notion. If you're not familiar with Notion, it's an all-in-one workspace that combines notes, tasks, databases, and more into a single cohesive platform. It's designed to help you organize your life. Whether you're managing personal projects, collaborating with a team, or just trying to keep track of your daily to-dos. Now, if you're looking to level up your productivity game, you've come to the right place. Notion is incredibly versatile and can be customized to fit your unique workflow. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative, there's a way to make Notion work for you. Notion is like the Swiss Army knife of productivity apps. It can handle your notes, tasks, projects, and even your entire workspace. Imagine having all your important information in one place, easily accessible and beautifully organized. That's the power of Notion. We're talking databases, web clippers, custom templates, and a whole lot more. The possibilities are endless, and the more you explore, the more you'll discover how Notion can simplify your life. From creating detailed project plans to capturing ideas on the go, Notion has got you covered. I've been using Notion for a while now, and honestly, it's become my go-to for pretty much everything. It's helped me stay organized, keep track of my goals, and even plan my content. The flexibility and functionality of Notion are unmatched, and I can't wait to show you how to make the most of it. So in this video, I'm hyped to share 47 of my favorite tips and tricks to help you unlock the full potential of this beast. We'll cover everything from basic setup and navigation to advanced features and integrations. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to use Notion to its fullest. Whether you're a seasoned Notion pro or just getting started, there's something here for everyone. We'll start with the basics, like creating pages and adding content, and then move on to more advanced topics, like setting up databases and automating your workflow. No matter your skill level, you'll find valuable insights and practical tips to enhance your Notion experience. We're going to cover everything from basic navigation and formatting to some seriously next-level automation and customization. You'll learn how to create custom templates, set up recurring tasks, and even integrate Notion with other tools you use daily. The goal is to make Notion work for you so you can focus on what matters most. Get ready to transform your workflow and boost your productivity like never before. Notion is more than just a tool. It's a game changer. With the right setup and a few key strategies, you can streamline your processes, reduce clutter, and achieve your goals more efficiently. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's get this Notion masterclass started. Whether you're sipping on coffee, tea, or something else, make sure you're comfortable and ready to dive in. This is going to be an in-depth journey, and I promise it'll be worth your time. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be a Notion ninja. You'll have the skills and knowledge to use Notion like a pro, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So let's get started and unlock the full potential of Notion together. First, let's talk about the basics. Notion's interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to get started. You can create pages for different projects, add text, images, and even embed other types of content. The drag and drop functionality allows you to organize your pages exactly how you want them. One of the most powerful features of Notion is its ability to create databases. Databases allow you to store and organize information in a structured way. You can create tables, lists, calendars, and more. Each entry in a database can have its own page, where you can add detailed information and even link to other pages. Another great feature is the web clipper. The Notion web clipper allows you to save content from the web directly into your Notion workspace. Whether it's an article, a recipe, or a piece of inspiration, you can capture it with a single click and organize it later. Custom templates are another game changer. Notion allows you to create templates for recurring tasks and projects, saving you time and ensuring consistency. You can create templates for meeting notes, project plans, daily journals, and more. Once you have your templates set up, you can quickly create new pages based on them. Now let's talk about collaboration. Notion makes it easy to work with others. You can share pages and databases with your team, assign tasks, and leave comments. Real-time collaboration means everyone stays on the same page and you can track changes and updates as they happen. Automation is another area where Notion shines. You can set up automations to streamline your workflow and reduce manual tasks. For example, you can create rules to automatically move tasks between different stages of a project, send reminders or update statuses based on certain conditions. Integrations are also a key part of Notion's power. Notion integrates with a variety of other tools, including Google Calendar, Slack, and Trello. These integrations allow you to bring all your tools together in one place, making it easier to manage your work and stay organized. Finally, let's talk about customization. Notion allows you to customize your workspace to fit your needs. You can change the appearance of your pages, add icons and covers, and even use custom CSS to create a unique look and feel. The possibilities are endless, and you can create a workspace that truly reflects your style and workflow. So there you have it, a comprehensive overview of Notion and its incredible features. Whether you're just getting started or looking to take your Notion skills to the next level, I hope this video has given you the inspiration and knowledge you need to make the most of this powerful tool. Remember, the key to mastering Notion is to experiment and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try new things and customize your workspace to fit your needs. With a little practice and creativity, you'll be a Notion ninja in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy Notioning! If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions or want to share your own Notion tips, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay productive and keep exploring the amazing world of Notion. See you in the next video. All right, let's kick things off with one of the most powerful features in Notion keyboard shortcuts. These little combinations of keys can save you a ton of time and make your workflow much more efficient. Imagine being able to perform complex tasks with just a few keystrokes. It's like having a magic wand for your productivity. Mastering these shortcuts is like unlocking cheat codes for productivity, seriously. You can zip through your tasks, navigate through your workspace, and format your content without ever having to lift your hands off the keyboard. It's a game changer for anyone looking to boost their efficiency. You can navigate, format, and manipulate your content with lightning speed, all without ever touching your mouse. Imagine the time you'll save by not having to constantly switch between your keyboard and mouse. It's all about streamlining your workflow and making your life easier. First up, we have the universal search. Hit CMD Ctrl+P to bring up the Quick Find menu. This is one of the most versatile shortcuts in Notion. Whether you're looking for a specific page, a piece of content, or even a task, the Quick Find menu has got you covered. This is your command center for jumping to specific pages, searching your entire workspace, and even creating new content on the fly. It's like having a personal assistant that can instantly find whatever you need. No more wasting time scrolling through endless pages or folders. Need to find that note you wrote last week about, say, the best noise-cancelling headphones? Just type in a few keywords and bam, you're there. It's incredibly intuitive and makes managing your information a breeze. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Next, let's talk about creating linked databases, which are essential for organizing projects and tasks. Linked databases allow you to create a copy of an existing database and link it to your current page. This means you can have the same data accessible from multiple locations, making it easier to manage and update. Use the command followed by Create Linked Database to instantly create a copy of an existing database and link it to your current page. This is incredibly useful for keeping track of project progress, managing tasks across different teams, or even separating your personal and work tasks while keeping them interconnected. This is super useful for things like tracking project progress across different teams or keeping your personal and work tasks separate but interconnected. You can easily update information in one place and it will automatically reflect in all linked databases. It's a powerful way to stay organized and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. And while we're on the topic of databases, remember the property feature. Properties are like columns in a spreadsheet, but with much more flexibility and functionality. They allow you to add different types of data to your database entries, making it easier to categorize and manage your information. Think of properties as columns in a spreadsheet. You can add properties for dates, checkboxes, files, and even formulas to calculate values automatically. This level of customization allows you to tailor your databases to fit your specific needs, making them much more powerful and versatile. You can add properties for dates, checkboxes, files, and even formulas to calculate values automatically. This means you can create complex databases that can handle a wide range of tasks, from simple to-do lists to detailed project management systems. The possibilities are endless. This level of customization is what makes Notion so incredibly powerful. You can create a workspace that fits your unique workflow and helps you stay organized and productive. Whether you're managing a team, working on personal projects, or just trying to keep track of your daily tasks, Notion has the tools you need to succeed. Trust me, once you start using properties to their full potential, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. They add a whole new level of functionality to your databases and make managing your information so much easier. So take the time to explore and experiment with properties and see how they can transform your workflow. Now let's dive a bit deeper into some advanced keyboard shortcuts that can take your Notion experience to the next level. For instance, did you know you can quickly create a new page by pressing CMD Ctrl+N? This shortcut is perfect for when you need to jot down a quick note or start a new project without interrupting your flow. Another handy shortcut is CMD Ctrl+Shift+L, which allows you to toggle between light and dark mode. This is great for those late-night work sessions when you want to reduce eye strain. Plus, it just looks cool. And if you're someone who loves to keep things organized, you'll appreciate the CMD Ctrl+Shift+E shortcut, which lets you quickly archive a page. This is perfect for decluttering your workspace and keeping only the most relevant information at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. You can also use CMD Ctrl+D to duplicate a page. This is incredibly useful when you need to create a template or replicate a page layout for a new project. It saves you the hassle of having to recreate everything from scratch. And let's not forget about the CMD Ctrl+K shortcut, which allows you to quickly add a link to your content. This is perfect for referencing other pages, external websites, or even specific blocks within your Notion workspace. It's a great way to keep your information interconnected and easily accessible. Now let's talk about some of the lesser known but equally powerful shortcuts. For example, did you know you can use CMD Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette? This is a powerful tool that gives you quick access to a wide range of commands and actions within Notion. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your productivity. Another hidden gem is the CMD Ctrl+Shift+U shortcut, which allows you to quickly upload a file. This is perfect for when you need to attach a document, image, or any other file to your Notion page. It saves you the hassle of having to drag and drop files or navigate through menus. And if you're someone who loves to use emojis to add a bit of personality to your content, you'll appreciate the CMD Ctrl+E shortcut, which opens the emoji picker. This is a fun and easy way to add a bit of flair to your notes, tasks, and projects. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to some of the most powerful keyboard shortcuts in Notion. By mastering these shortcuts, you'll be able to navigate, format, and manage your content with ease, making your workflow more efficient and productive. So take the time to practice and incorporate these shortcuts into your daily routine and watch your productivity soar. Remember, the key to mastering Notion is to experiment and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try new things and explore the different features and shortcuts available. With a bit of practice and experimentation, you'll be able to create a workspace that fits your unique needs and helps you stay organized and productive. So go ahead, dive in and start exploring the world of Notion keyboard shortcuts. You'll be amazed at how much more efficient and productive you can be in just a few minutes. Happy Notioning. Happy. So, there you have it, my friends, 47 pro tips to help you conquer Notion and achieve ultimate productivity. We've journeyed through a comprehensive guide that covers every aspect of this powerful tool, ensuring that you can harness its full potential. We've covered everything from the basics of navigation and formatting ensuring that even beginners can get started with ease. Understanding how to move around the interface and format your text is crucial for creating a workspace that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. To advanced automation and customization, where we delved into the more intricate features that can save you time and streamline your workflow. Automation tools and custom templates are game changers, allowing you to tailor Notion to your specific needs and preferences. Remember, Notion is incredibly powerful, and the more you use it, the more you'll discover its hidden depths. Each feature is designed to enhance your productivity, and with consistent use, you'll uncover new ways to optimize your tasks and projects. Don't be afraid to experiment, try out new templates, and customize your workspace to fit your unique workflow. The beauty of Notion lies in its flexibility, allowing you to create a system that works perfectly for you, whether you're managing personal projects or collaborating with a team. And hey, if you come across any cool tricks or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Sharing knowledge and learning from others is a great way to enhance your Notion experience. The community is full of creative ideas and solutions that can inspire you to take your productivity to the next level. I'm always down to chat about all things tech and productivity. Whether it's discussing the latest features, troubleshooting issues, or sharing tips, engaging in these conversations can provide valuable insights and keep you updated on the latest trends. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Notion, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Your support helps us create more content that can assist you in mastering your tools and achieving your goals. And don't forget to follow for more motivation tips to keep you inspired and productive. Until next time, keep pushing the limits of what's possible with your technology. Peace out. Remember, the journey to productivity is ongoing. And with tools like Notion, you're well equipped to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Stay curious, stay motivated, and continue exploring the endless possibilities that technology offers. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's always something new to learn and discover. So keep experimenting, keep optimizing, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. Your productivity journey is unique, and with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve incredible things. Thank you for joining me on this adventure, and I look forward to seeing what you create. Until next time, stay productive and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Peace out.